and this one is blank, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and they're all blank.
Let me check spite.
Put your audience on ice with Dean Dill's Blizzard.
It's gotta be fucking shitty.
This was blank. They're all, everything. Said none of them are printed. You ask the spectator to name any card they want. It's truly a free choice. There's no fishing procedure, no equivoke, and no force. You remove the selected card along with his three mates. The audience mixes those cards up face down, and you are able to successfully divine which one is their selected card. And that's when things get weird. That one.
No, it's not.
That's the Queen of Diamonds. No, that one had to be the Queen of Diamonds.
It is.
No, it had to be.
Yeah.
You know why?
Why?
Because that couldn't be the Queen of Diamonds. And that couldn't be the Queen of Diamonds. And that couldn't be the Queen of Diamonds. Because this deck, the Queen of Diamonds is the only card that's printed. This card isn't printed, this card isn't printed, this card isn't printed. None of them are printed.
Okay,
This one is blank. And this one is blank. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and they're all blank. Impossibly, the only printed card is the card that the audience selected, and the rest of the deck is completely blank. Best of all, everything is examinable. Blizzard comes with a special deck and a secret gimmick that makes this miracle possible. As a special bonus, you'll be getting Anthony Miller's Colossal Blizzard and Magick Balay's Colossal Blizzard 2.0. I'm Eric Tate, and this is Dean Dill's Blizzard.